I'm very sleepy. I woke up very early and I can't function now. Ma'am, but I'm very active late at night and I like working or studying at night. Oh, okay, Minnie. Oh, that means you are a night owl. Night owl means not that you are an owl. What I meant was that you are active at night, which means you are most active and you give your best at night and you don't like to get up early in the morning. So in today's video, let's learn some fun, exciting words that can describe personalities. I'm sure it's going to be helpful for all of you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Thrive with Sushmita. In today's video, we will learn about all those words that will help you to describe people, your friends and family in a fun and memorable way. Like I told you, Minnie is a night owl, but I am an early bird, which means I really like to wake up early. So the first one is early bird. Like I am an early bird. What does that mean? It means someone who really likes to wake up early and makes the most of the morning, which means they are very active in the morning. I'm an early bird. I love starting my day before sunrise. Minnie is a night owl, which means she's most active at night and does most of her work then. Like she's a night owl and does her best work after 10 p.m. The next one is people pleaser. It means someone who is always trying to make others happy. See, that is not the problem. But when they try to make others happy, even at their own expense, which means they keep themselves aside and always look for or always try to make others happy, that's the problem. He's such a people pleaser. He never says no. The next one is social butterfly. Everybody loves butterfly. And how butterfly moves from here to there to this flower to this flower. So it basically means somebody who loves meeting and talking to people. Ria is a social butterfly. She just loves attending all the parties and the events. The next one is lone wolf, which means somebody who really likes to stay alone and prefers doing things alone. Raj is a lone wolf who works best independently. He doesn't like to work in a team. He just is okay with himself. The next one is a go-getter. Go-getter means somebody is very ambitious and active in pursuing goals, which means they give their best, they work very hard in order to achieve their goals. Priyanka Chopra is a go-getter. The next one is perfectionist. Somebody who works to minute details and is sure, he or she gives their best to make it flawless. Who is known as Mr. Perfectionist? It's Amir Khan. So he gives his best in whatever he is doing and he makes sure that everything is flawless. The next one is neat freak. Somebody who is obsessed with cleanliness and order. My mother, she's a neat freak. Her kitchen is spotless. The next one is workaholic. Okay? Workaholic. You also have heard this word a lot of times, I'm sure. A workaholic is someone who loves to work and struggles to stop. Ram is a workaholic. He works even during the weekends. The next one is free spirit. It means somebody who lives without any strict rules or plans. Okay, she's a free spirit who travels wherever she likes. The next one is bookworm. Somebody who just loves to read. It doesn't mean there is a worm in the book, okay? Somebody who is actually always engrossed in reading is known as bookworm. Like, I'm a bookworm. I finish a novel every week. The next one is a foodie. A foodie is someone who just loves to eat a lot of food, okay, and enjoys it as well. Ria is a foodie. She knows all the restaurants in the town. Next is daydreamer. A daydreamer is somebody who's often lost in thoughts, okay, always thinking and dreaming about everything that the person wants. If I have to use it in a sentence, she is a daydreamer who imagines living by the beach. The next one is a chatterbox. I'm sure you know this. Chatterbox is someone who just can't stop talking. Okay, Priya is a chatterbox. She constantly speaks. The next one is big mouth. Big mouth is somebody who cannot keep any secrets, and you should never share with such persons. Okay, like, don't tell him he's a big mouth, which means he will definitely go and spill your secrets to others. Next one is couch potato, somebody who is lazy and inactive, especially watching TV all day. I am basically a couch potato on Sundays. Next one is tech savvy. Tech savvy means somebody who is good with technology. Okay, we are seeing that the technology is evolving every day. So somebody who is keeping up with it and knows everything about the technology is a tech savvy. My cousin, he's a tech savvy and he actually fixes my computer. The next one is worry wart, somebody who constantly worries. My father is a worry wart. He calls me thrice a day, which means he's constantly worrying about my well-being and how I'm doing, and always likes to keep in touch with me. So yes, Minnie, and of course all of you, tell me which personalities actually suited you. Like I'm a mix of early bird, a bit of bookworm, and of course a neat freak. I think I'm also a bit of worry what. All right. Jokes apart, this was all about today. I'm sure you have loved the video and learned such wonderful words to describe personality. Don't forget to write in the comment box which of these personalities suits you the most, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and keep thriving with Sushmita. Thank you so much.